G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty at Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 19 Kingfisher Drive in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. This home is as good as new and ready to move straight into. Let's go and take a look around. This lovely brick and steel frame home was completed only in December 2021 and is positioned on a relatively level 800 square metre allotment in the highly sought after location of River Heads, which is the gateway to World Heritage listed Gari or Fraser Island. Keen fishers will note that the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon is only a short drive away. This is where you'll access the Great Sandy Straits, Mary and Susan rivers and the tributaries, which is a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You also have the convenience that comes with being only a short drive away from Hervey Bays' essential amenities, including the airport, shopping centres, hospitals, golf course, Hervey Bays' beautiful esplanade, cafés, restaurants and the beach. Upon entering this home, you'll immediately notice it is as good as new, with an open, light-filled design combined with modern finishes that really create something special, offering an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is definitely more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the ducted and zoned air conditioning that flows throughout this home. This is a reverse cycle system with heating for year-round comfort. The stylish kitchen really does form the heart of this home and includes ample bench and storage space plus a pantry, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, a wall oven that has actually never been used and a dishwasher. This home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, with 3 of these featuring built-in wardrobes. The spacious main bedroom includes a large built-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The main bathroom includes both a bath and a shower, plus a vanity and the toilet. The laundry is located to the rear of the garage and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the double garage with a remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. There is also ample space to the side of this home to accommodate large caravans and boats, and you could even add a shed or a pool if desired. Those wanting to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the 7 kilowatt solar power system, and you've got solar hot water as well. There is a low maintenance automatic irrigation system to maintain those established gardens. This home also includes electric gates and a security system with CCTV TV connectivity, so you can lock up and enjoy your nomadic travels whilst being able to easily view and check in on your home from your remote device. The owners are not testing the market and are looking for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.